In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use tags in WordPress. Categories and tags are the two default taxonomies to sort your articles in WordPress. Categories are used for broader topics or sections on your website, while tags are well suited to specific ideas within the context of your articles. To create a tag, in your dashboard, go to Posts, then click on Tags. Here you can create a tag. Just give the tag a name and a slug, and then click on Add New Tag. And all the tags on your website will be displayed here. Now, to add a tag to a post, navigate to that post. I'm going to edit this post. Then scroll down and look for the Tags option. Here, you can just add the tags for this post like this. Then click on Update. If you want to display the most popular tags on your website, you can do that too. Go to Appearance, and then click on Widgets. Simply drag and drop the Tag Cloud widget on your sidebar. Give this widget a title. Make sure the taxonomy selected here is Tags, and enable the Show Tags Count option. Then click on Save. And you're done. Now, when I go to my website, as you can see, all the tags are displayed here on the sidebar. The count tells us how many posts the particular tag is in. This is how you can use tags in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.